Hey, I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me live here on Instagram. And if you're watching this on replay, thank you for joining me as well. Yes, I am Israel Navarro from IsraelNavarro.com. And if you're absolutely interested in growing your business on Instagram, there's the link in the comment section below and in my bio where you will definitely see how you can get that started. But today's topic, I'm going to talk to you why drinking milk is bad for you. It is something very interesting, especially now that I am doing a detox for the next 25 days. I'm actually going through and learning a few things about health. I'm not here a health expert. I am not a personal trainer or a nutritionist. I'm just sharing facts that I've learned, and I think, some of you guys might be very helpful for you guys. Maybe you guys never considered that milk has been actually one of the key things that affected you in your diet. It makes you probably have the stomach pains you have, because people are lactose intolerant. And I'm going to share, this is not going to be a long video. It's going to be a very brief thing where I'm going to be discussing these things with you. But one of the cool things is overall, dairy products overall are very saturated with fats, the calories, as well as the cholesterol content in it is very strong, especially if you're drinking it straight from the cow. It does hit us. I know people are going to be like, but my grandfather lived to 100 years old and he drank milk every day. I'm not saying that. Milk is still something you can take into consideration, but it's been now starting to be linked more and more with prostate cancer as well as ovarian cancer. It's something that it's showing that patients that have that are very known to have been high milk drinkers for most of their life. This is also including it with when people mix it with their coffee. Because a lot of people just think about drinking the glass of milk, that's it, but no one takes the time to look and actually say, oh, this could be actually straight from, but also mixing it with your coffee, it's very high where this is also seen. But we still got to look at the factor that drinking cow milk is still one of the highest nutritions for humans. It still obviously is 100% helps you with bone density. It helps you with osteoporosis. It also helps you when you get older, older you are, to prevent bone fractures if you fall. So one of the things I think, and a lot of people want to consume calcium, you can still get it from almond milk. You can still get it from soy milk. These are very vegan options. I'm proud to say that I do use this on my protein shakes when I mix it with almond milk, especially. I do, but I still do consume dairy products that are from cows, that are like my cheese, like my ice creams, like my yogurts. So, it is a touchy subject. So one of the key things I think is you got to look at your health. I think you should take your time, especially if you guys are interested in detoxing. And just message me right now if you're watching this video. Let me know that you are interested in learning how to detox your body, because when part of the detox program that I do, you're going to learn tips and stuff that you can do to make your life healthier. And obviously milk is one of the key things that we talk about in this detox challenge that I'm doing. So if you guys are interested, if you guys actually have a different perspective on the benefit of drinking milk, especially dairy from the cow, please let me know in the comment section. I want to open a discussion here on this video about drinking milk, if it's good for you, if it's not. So please let me know. Thank you so much for joining me in this video, and hope to hear you guys' feedback about drinking milk is good for you or not. So thank you so much. Take care, and God bless you.